So we've already prepped our coals. Our coals are ready to be spread out. We're using a natural lump charcoal today. And if you want to learn how to light chimney starters, I'll drop a link in the description below, and I'll drop some cards up above if you want to check that video out. So I think we're ready now to distribute these coals. So let me put my mitt on. I've got my mitt, and let's go ahead and pour these out. So we're grilling our hamburgers today. We're using the direct method, so we want our meat directly above the coal. So I'm gonna just try to even them out as much as I can. There we go. So we got our coals. You can come in. We got our coals spread out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the grates on. So we're gonna close this down, let our grates get hot, then we'll come back and clean them up, and we'll be right back. So we're back. It's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and clean our grill off. So I'm taking my grill brush here, and now that our grill is hot, it's gonna be easier for us to clean our grates. Clean your grates because you want to prevent your meat from sticking and any old grease buildup that can cause a flare up. So that's why you want to keep your grates clean to prevent sticking of your meat and reduce your chances of any flare ups. And that's extremely important when you're cooking direct because we're right here above these coals. And we want to reduce our chances of having flare ups and possibly burning our meat. So next thing I'm gonna do, I got me some non-stick spray. So off to the side here, I don't want to get have this propellant by the fire. So come off to the side, spraying down my brush. Then I'm gonna use my brush to get this non-stick spray on my grates, so my meat doesn't stick. So let's get this closed back up. I think we're ready to go inside right now and get our meat. Hold on, we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Now let's go ahead and get our meat on the grill. Got my burgers off here to the side. Frozen burgers. I'm gonna just open up this bag. We just go ahead and just put them right on the grill. One thing I like about this Char-Griller is the surface area. So we have a large family. My wife and I have 8 children, so there's 10 of us in all. Man, this large surface area works out great. I'm trying to cook a lot of food like this. I do have some smaller grills that I use, but I use this one a lot just because of the size. So I can cook a lot of meat, enough meat for the family at one time. So one thing I like about this grill, in addition to the versatility, you can do so much. You can cook direct, you can cook indirect, you can smoke. And when you need to, you can load it up with burgers like you're doing right here. Because we're cooking direct, man, you don't want to have your lid open too long and give that fire more oxygen and get flame up. So I'm trying to be as fast as I can to get these burgers on here to just reduce any flame ups. All right, so we're coming to the end. There we go. Now I'm gonna take some Lawry's. I got my Lawry seasoned salt. If you watch my channel, you know I love my Lawry, so I'm just gonna keep it real simple. Give each one a dusting on this side, and then once we flip them, we'll get that other side. So a nice little dusting. There we go. Let's close it up and we'll be right back. It's been about 5 minutes and we're back now. Let's check it out, see how we're cooking. Oh yeah, it's coming on. Without even flipping them, I'm just looking at them to see where our hot spot is, and it's right here in the middle. You can tell by these in the middle, they're cooking a bit faster than the other ones. So when we go to flip them and rotate them, we'll just need to keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and flip these over. Just gonna go ahead and flip them all over because remember we got to season that other side. So just so that we don't confuse ourselves, let's go ahead and get them all flipped. You don't want to take all day doing this, right? We don't want to give that fire any more oxygen than we need to. Have this grill open any longer than we have to. So let's go ahead and handle our business. Get them flipped, seasoned, so we can move on. There we go. Get my seasoned salt now. Let's come in. Get this out a nice little dusting. All right. Get it closed up. We'll be right back. All right. It's been about 5 minutes. We're back. Let's go ahead and open up our grill. Oh, yeah. Since we got them both seasoned, both sides seasoned, I'm just checking right now, seeing how we're doing. What I'm going to do right now is rotate. We know over here is our cold side, a little bit cooler. So let's take some of these from our area that's burning a little hotter and let's move them over. So that's one of the keys when you're cooking direct. Keep an eye on your meat and rotate as needed so that everything cooks evenly. Keep it moving, keep it rotated. That's what we're doing here. Taking these over here. Those look good. Those look good. This one can actually go over here. Oh man. Did you see that? Got a casualty down there, y'all. Lost one. There you go. So as they cook down, I'm just moving everything a little bit tighter so it's in our hot spot so we cook evenly. Let's close it up. We'll let it go for about 5 minutes or so. And we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. It's been 5 minutes. Again, we're coming out here about every 5 minutes or so. Just keeping it rotated. Checking our burgers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those look good. Looking good. Trying to be careful not to lose one in the grates. I lost one down there, y'all, earlier. I think some of y'all may have caught that. So what can I say? It happens. Happens to the best of us. Just keeping everything rotated, flipping everything, looking at it. I'm gonna close this up, y'all. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add just a little bit of hickory. I'm not gonna get carried away with it because I don't want to do too much, but I'm gonna just add these few pieces right here just to give our burgers another layer of that flavor. Coming on this side, just toss them in there, yeah. There we go. So we're gonna let these go maybe another 5-6 minutes or so. I think we're doing all these cheeseburgers. So hold on and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Remember, we added our hickory, so it's been about just maybe 5-6 minutes. We're not going for a heavy smoke, y'all. We're just gonna do just a little bit. We're not trying to do too much with that smoke. So now these looking good. So I'm gonna temp a few of these. For hamburgers, we want to come back like 160. Those are almost there. Those are hitting. Those are hitting. Those are hitting. Yep. 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 Showing y'all this digital thermometer as we put it in there. So yeah, we just got some over here that aren't there yet. So let's just rotate these. So all of these checked out. So we're gonna move those over here. And then the ones that needed a little bit more attention, just come back and put them right in there. This one right here, let's put that right there. So right now, I think this is our last round right here. So we're just spacing them out a little bit. We have a few of them that are just a tad bit under temperature. So I've moved those into the hotter area of the grill. The ones that were done, I moved them over here to the left and to the right. And the ones that need a little bit more time, they're in the middle. And I'm spacing them out a little bit because all of these are going to be cheeseburgers. So spacing them out a little bit. So when we go to get our cheese, put it on here, we got a nice amount of room to get all our cheese situated. So we'll let these go another 5 minutes. We'll go in and get our cheese ready. And then when we come back, we'll bring y'all with us. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's been about 5 minutes. We're going to give these the last ones a temp test. The ones that were coming on a bit slow, we're hitting it. All right, now let's go ahead and get our cheese put on. So we'll just space them out a little bit. Got my cheese over here. All our burgers are hitting temperature. So we're just getting our cheese on here right now. All right, we're back. Let's get some of our cheeseburgers off the grill. That cheese is melting on us, so let's go ahead and do that. Man, I'm looking forward to taste that combination of that lump charcoal and then that hickory. Remember, we didn't have a whole lot, just a few little small little pieces. And I know that's gonna be good. All right, y'all, we're about filling this tray up. So let me go in the house and get another tray so we don't have to stack these up. I think we can do like one more. Let's run in the house and get another tray and we'll be right back. All right, we're back, y'all. Let's go ahead and take these last burgers off the grill. They're looking good, smelling good. Whew. Y'all, don't know how much I'm looking forward to this, man. Nice burger like this, cooked on that charcoal with a little hickory. You're getting you a little nice, fresh bed of lettuce and some tomato, mayo, mustard, ketchup, whatever you want to do. Man, let's go. Go ahead and get this in the house. We're going to get this plated up and then come back for the taste test. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's time for the taste test. I got Noah hanging out with me on my side, so let me go ahead and try one of these. Woo! That's good, y'all. That charcoal coming through. That hickory. I'm telling y'all, Burger King ain't got nothing on this. This is good right here. You talking about flame broil. Woo! I'm telling y'all, that's good right there. So I'm telling you, frozen hamburgers, give them a try. There's nothing wrong with the ground beef if you want to go that route. Nothing wrong with that. But if you want convenient, quick, and tasty, y'all give these frozen burgers a try on the charcoal grill and come back and holler at me. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.